Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to add coins to AliExpress order. Open AliExpress application on your phone and find the item that you want to buy. I don't know, just basics, something basic. And let's pretend that I want to order it. So I should click Buy Now button. And this is order confirmation page. And here, if you scroll down, here basically you should see something like use coins for discount or redeem coins. And if you tap on that, it will show how many coins you can apply to this order. Or do not apply any coins at all. And also one more thing, so if you go to your account at the bottom right here and you find here coins, here you can collect coins every day, and here you can order some items that accept coins as discounts. So for example, if I open some random product and tap Buy Now, here at the order confirmation page, you see this section saved, and this is basically my coins. So to this specific item I have applied 43 coins, and I can select whether I want to apply them or I don't want to use them, like this. So that's basically how you can add coins to your AliExpress order. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.